Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to swap players in Yahoo Fantasy Football app. So of course we have our Yahoo Fantasy app, we're going to open it. And of course you want to make sure that you're navigated to the football app. If you find yourself here, you want to go to the top and tap in football because that's where we want to be. So you're going to select a league that is currently on and then you have your players, of course. You're going to tap on one of them if you have multiple. And of course you can see that there are some players right here in the matchup. We want to go over to team. So we just tap on team at the top here. And here you can see there is an empty space right there. So swapping players can mean that you're basically moving a player from the bench over to a playing position, or of course you're swapping players between positions. So the first way we want to go about this is to actually swap a player from the bench into the empty space. So we're going to tap on the empty space there and you can see move player, select a player to start in the WR spot. So now we're going to look for one of the players, and just so you know, we're having some players right here. We have R. Rice, D. Metcalf, M. Evans, and J. Reed. And all of these players are in the wide receiver position. So we're going to go with M. Evans, right? So we're going to tap M. Evans. And there you can see that we've basically swapped M. Evans from the bench to a position in the team roster for starters. So now we have another example. Say we want to swap players within the starters list. So we have D. Montgomery. We're going to tap on the RB. And here, when you tap on the RB, it's going to give you the option to swap with A. Junty. So of course, if we tap on the X right here, you can see A. Junty right here. And you can see it's WRT. Of course, we have D. Montgomery at right back. Of course, if we tap on the RB again, do take note that if you tap on his name, it will take you to another place. That's not what we want. We want to tap on the position. So tap on D. Montgomery, and then we're going to tap on A. Junty. And you can see that they've just swapped positions right within the starters. So these two examples are to show you how to swap players in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.